Hello everyone, it's the Hobby Dabbler. Today I wanted to show you all of the stamps that I was able to make with just items that I had in my house. Some of them, like this one, was a piece of colored burlap. These two were made from a fabric swatch book. This was made with a bunch of little foam rectangles. This was made with cork squares, and again I cut these ones into circles for cork circles. This was that I'm not sure exactly what to call it. It's the stuff that you put underneath carpet so it doesn't slip. It's kind of grippy. And this I think is a counted cross stitch mesh. So I just want to show you how each of these work. All I did was take the item in question, like this mesh, and I glued it to a piece of cardboard. The cardboard I used was just from cereal boxes and things in my recycle bin. So I just want to show you the lovely textures that I make. So we'll start with this mesh. So add your ink, and I'll show you up here. And you get that. So that's a really versatile one. I think I will use this one a lot. Okay, now let's try out this cross stitch. At least I think it's for cross stitch. I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. So I'll ink it up, flip it over, and see what we get. Oh, that's neat. It kind of gives you almost like a graphing paper pattern. That's a nice one. Okay. Now let's try out our ones made of cork. Cork is fairly absorbent, so I'm not sure. Not absorbent, but it's squishy. So we'll see. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Those are some nice mixed media circles right there. Okay, let's try the square ones now. I don't like the square ones as much, but they'll serve their purpose as well. So that was just square tiles of oh my goodness, come on brain, of cork that I glued onto some cardboard. And here's our wonky pattern in foam bricks. Give that a shot. Okay, let's see how this one turns out. Oh, that one's really neat too. Very cool. Okay, let's try the burlap. Okay, let's see how the burlap looks on here. Oh yeah, that has a nice texture too. And now for my fabric swatches. I had found a book of fabric swatches at a thrift store that had a lot of textured material fabric in it. So I thought, oh, you know what, I'll find a use for that. So I snatched it up. There we go, that's nice too. Square pattern. And I think this one is more of a circle pattern. Oh, that one smudged a lot, but if I just push it down, It's kind of a circle pattern. So I just wanted to show you that you don't need to spend a lot of money to do this craft. Art journaling, mixed media. You just have fun with it. Take all the stuff you have in your house, glue it to some cardboard. I used some white glue, I used some glue gun glue, and get stamping. So thanks for watching, give it a try, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!